Thank you, Your Honor.
In Nisqually, what's your name there in the orange shirt? What's that? You can blame. He is in this case? Yeah, he should not have gone. And Ms. Langley, who's in Nisqually there?
I'm not sure. I'm hoping this is Mr. Haas.
Oh,
What's your
Hi.
name, sir, in the glasses and the orange shirt?
that's me.
Yes,
Hi.
what is your name?
Oh, excuse me, sir. Sorry. James Dean Haas. But,
Okay.
yeah. Yes, sir. Your Honor.
So Ms. Langley, looks like he's here on an arraignment on a new criminal trespass.
Yes, Your Honor, but we have a proposed resolution. He was here last week, and he pled not guilty to a criminal trespass. Then he was released. The city has agreed that if he pleads to that original charge, the one today will be dismissed, and that's how we plan to proceed.
Okay.
And Your Honor.
Okay. So on the case ending in 200, I'm looking at a statement of defendant on plea of guilty, which says you're pleading guilty to criminal trespass. Is that your understanding of what's happening?
Yes, sir.
You understand when you plead guilty, you give up all the rights contained in paragraph 5 of the plea form?
Yes, sir.
Maximum you can receive for this is 364 days in jail and a $5,000 fine.
I will
City's
never
going to
go-
recommend, I'm sorry?
Oh, I will never go back there again the rest of my life to serve that.
I didn't understand any of
Oh.
that.
I'm sorry. I will never, Your Honor, go back there again to Fred Meyer till the time is right to go back. Otherwise, I'll have to do a 364-day in jail.
Mm.
But then, if somebody yells at me, yeah, I'm never gonna go on the property anyway, sir. And
Okay, all right. Just let me get through the plea form here. We'll get to that here in a few minutes, all right?
thank you, Your
Uh,
Honor.
Oh, man, I gotta get together.
4 days in jail with 363 suspended, credit for 1 day served. Don't have any criminal law violations. Stay away from Famous Footwear and Fred Meyer for 2 years. And in exchange for your plea, the city's agreed to dismiss the other case. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. God, goodness, great balls of fire. Yes, Your Honor, all the way.
Do you understand I'm not required to do that?
Yes, Your Honor. I respect that in every which way that possibly could be blessed.
Anybody make any threats or promises other than what's contained in the plea recommendation to get you to plead guilty?
Oh, no, no, sir, no threats, no promises, no nothing. I promise you that I'll be a good boy and, so that I'll never go there again. Otherwise, yeah.
Okay, all right. I just want to know if anybody's threatening you or, offering you money to plead or anything like that.
Well, no, but,
Okay, so hang on. You just had me a no there. Paragraph 11 says on February 12th of 2024, you were in the Famous Footwear store after having been told you weren't supposed to be there and they wanted you to leave. Is that true?
yes, sir.
All right. I will accept your plea. We'll enter a finding of guilty to criminal trespass. In exchange for your plea, the other case will get dismissed, and then I'll hear from sentencing from the city. Mr. McClellan?
Thank you, Your Honor. Nothing really to add. It's an agreed recommendation here to dismiss this newest case. He didn't go back to Famous Footwear after being released from the court. He was in Fred Meyer that was also had a trespass order. But so just asking the court to follow the recommendation and grant the motion to dismiss this new case with resolving that prior.
Ms. Langley?
Ask the court to adopt the recommendation. I think he understands not to be in those stores. Thank you.
All right.
Uh,
Mr.
Ha-
Haas, anything you'd like to say? Now's the time you can
Oh.
tell me you don't intend to go back there for the next 2 years.
There we go.
May I speak?
Yes.
Well, thank you, Your Honor. You're the nicest guy who owns nice in America. And before you retire, you need a raise. Yeah, so I promise you I'll never go back there again because those policemen, they don't care about if you drive at nighttime with no lights on or this and vroom vroom. So, but the staters do. But then if I get a chance to get pulled over, I don't know if I want to take that chance to getting arrested for third degree suspension. And then can then get in trouble and then doing no. I'll walk. I won't drive a car. I was thinking about it, but I don't know, sir. But then I'm going southbound. I'm supposed to go to court next month. Sometimes I forget different things because you never want to use your front brake on a bicycle. You go up like Michael Shannon and down like a big bird hitting the concrete. Well, I'll be honest with you right now, sir. I mean, may I be honest with you for 1 second?
I would prefer that, yes.
Well, thank God bless you. I'm pregnant. Well, I'll explain that, sir. Like you said, I could talk, so, and you don't want people to lie. So, can you imagine if I
No.
go to a grocery store, sucking a baba and a binky and wearing a diaper? Well, I have an enlarged kidney stone that won't pass.
All right.
You think? I promise you I'll become solved it. I'll never get pregnant again. All right?
Okay. That, okay.
Sorry, I went down to Fred Meyer and I went to the bathroom and went potty. And then the guy next door, he wanted my youngest daughter's telephone number. I said, what? So I yelled and displayed my name and got in trouble and I got in trouble in the bathroom. And I said, I'm not back here spanking my monkey. I'm back here to provide myself and I'll never go back to Fred Meyer again. And well, bless you all the way. God bless you with Mary's Great Balls of Fire.
all right.
That's for that.
So Mr. Haas,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Haas, okay, so I'm going to stop you there. And it appears to me that you recall being there. You recall you weren't supposed to be there. I will accept your plea. The case ending in 055 will be dismissed. The case sentencing on the case ending in 200.
I got a little mixed up.
Hang on just a minute, Mr. Mid. Let me finish, please. Let me finish, please. And so it'll be 364 days in jail with 363 suspended. You have credit for 1 day served, which means you're going to be released on both of these. You'll be getting out here in a few hours. And then all financial obligations will be waived. I'm not, you don't owe any money. And the only thing you need to do is just stay out of Famous Footwear, stay out of Fred Meyer, and don't have any other problems, and you'll be good to go. Can you handle that?
Well, there's only one problem.
What's that?
I have to do 8 hours of community service hours. You didn't display that. Am I supposed to do
No,
8
I'm
hours?
not. Okay, Rick, stop for a second.
Oh.
Was that recommended on this case, Mr. McClellan?
No, not that I recall.
Why do you think you need to do 8 hours of community service? I'm not ordering that in this case.
Well, not in this case, but then I got like, I don't know, 8 or 9 different. No, I got about 7 different tickets.
Okay.
But never,
I see you have, okay, I'm going to stop you again. I see you have some things in the city of Olympia. Are you required to do them there?
Oh no! I understand now. I see. A verbal warning: don't come back. Then if I get a ticket on trespass, but then I went to Fred Meyer before, and I mean I don't understand what's going on. And I get a physical I don't deserve justification for somebody that kind of wasn't so nice to me, and I never told a native girl to be mean. I mean,
okay. So again, I'm Mr. Haas.
yeah,
Okay.
So
I'm going to stop you again. You're getting out. You're going to be released here later today. On these cases, you have no community service hours obligations. If you have that someplace else, just do it, somewhere in Olympia or Tumwater. Just don't do it in Lacey to be safe. Or if you do it in Lacey, make sure you're a long ways away from Fred Meyer and Famous Footwear. And that's it for today. You're free to be released here later
I don't
today.
have to do community service hours ever. Cool.
Not in this case. Again, in other cases and in other courts, maybe. On this cases, no.
I see.
All right. You can be taken back.
Thank you, Your Honor. You're such
You're
a nice,
welcome. Good luck,
delightful
sir.
guy.
Okay. Up there at Thurston County Correctional Facility, what's your name?
Kevin Franco.
Well, there you have it. It was just too good. I'm actually surprised we didn't have discussion of an evaluation, but they know more than I do. I don't know. We've got a guy who declared, who 1 declares pregnancy, and 2 denies spanking any monkeys. The facial expressions were fantastic. I've really gotten to like that judge. He rolled with it, but I mean, even the attorneys involved and the other inmate waiting for his case to be called couldn't take it. Good times. Thanks for coming out. I'm confident you did not learn anything. See you soon.